Today I'm going to show you how to control the PWM of an LED using a potentiometer.
The Arduino doesn't have a built-in digital to analog converter, but it can pulse width modulate a digital signal to achieve some of the functions of an analog output. Digital control is used to create a square wave, and this square wave can be switched between on and off. This on off pattern can simulate voltages between 5 and 0 volts by changing the portion of the time the signal spins on versus the time the signal spins off. The duration of the on time is called the pulse width. To get the varying analog values, you can change or modulate the pulse width. If you repeat this on off pattern fast enough with an LED, for example, the result is as if the signal is a steady voltage between 0 and 5 volt controlling the brightness of the LED. The function used to output a PWM signal is analog write pin comma value. The pin is the pin number used for the PWM output, and the value is the number proportional to the duty cycle of the signal. Here is the formula of the duty cycle. Well, duty cycle is basically the ratio of on time to the on plus off time of the signal. When we write analog write 255, it requests 100% duty cycle, that is always on, and analog write 127 is a 50% duty cycle, that is half the on time. On most Arduino boards, the PWM function is available on pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11.
For this project I am going to use potentiometer. A potentiometer is a variable resistor with three terminals. There are two fixed ends, that is, one end should be connected to ground and the other end should be connected to VCC, or that is 5 volt, and this is the control pin, or you can say this is the signal pin of potentiometer. One can rotate its knob to change the resistance of this potentiometer. Let's look into the circuit diagram. Here I have connected a red LED to the pin number 9 of Arduino Uno via 220 ohm resistor, and its cathode is connected to ground, and here is a potentiometer. Its variable end is connected to pin number A0 of Arduino Uno. This is the analog pin of Arduino, and its one terminal is connected to ground and other terminal is connected to the VCC, that is 5 volt pin of Arduino. Now let's understand the code. Here I defined a variable pot pin of type int and initialized it with A0. A0 is basically the Arduino analog pin to which the potentiometer is connected. Then I defined a variable named as pot value, and here is the variable LED pin of type int and initialized it with 9. This is the digital pin to which the LED is connected, and inside the setup function I set the pot pin in input mode, and here I set the baud rate as 9600, and then I set the mode of LED pin as in output mode using pin mode function. Inside the loop function, the value of the potentiometer pin is continuously reading using analog read function, and then this value is being stored in pot value. This value will get printed on the serial monitor, and I, here we are converting the pot value to 0 to 255 range from 0 to 1023, and it will get stored in input val. Then we will write this value, this input value, to the LED pin using analog write to glow the LED. And this loop function will run again and again. Now let's upload this code on Arduino Uno. It may take some time, and it's done.
Now let's rotate the knob of the potentiometer. Here you can see my LED starts glowing and its brightness is increasing continuously. Here the brightness of the LED is to its fullest. Now I am decreasing the brightness of the LED. Here you can see LED is more dimmer now. This is all for this project. Thank you.